Year 8 Linear Equation Exam Practice Question 8. So, first thing we need to do is write these into an equation before we are able to solve them. So, the first question is the average of 7 and p is -3. Find p by writing and solving an equation. Well, the first thing we need to think about, average is the amount we add up, we have to divide by. So if I'm adding 7 and p, I'm adding 2 amounts, I need to have divided that by 2 to equal -3. So now I just need to work back and solve this. So I need to think about 7 and p are in brackets. I need to get rid of the divide by 2 first before I can do that, which means I'm going to times both sides by 2, the opposite of divide. That gives me 7 plus p is equal to -6. The next thing I'm going to do is get rid of the 7, so I'm going to take 7 from both sides. And that leaves me with p. And that also leaves me with -6 minus 7 equals -13. So p must have been -13. Likewise with the second question, it says what the average of 4x and 6 is 19, and we need to find the average of 6x and 4. To do that, we need to find the value for x. Otherwise, we are not able to solve that. So that means I'll look at this first part over here first, and then we'll go to the second part. So it says average of 4x and 6, again I'll divide that by 2, is equal to 19. So just like before, same thing applies. I need to get my x by itself, and to do that I need to think of my numerator is in brackets. So I need to get rid of the denominator. So that means I need to times by 2. If I times both sides by 2, that gives me 4x plus 6 is equal to 38. Likewise, I need to get rid of the constant and put it on one side, so I'm going to take away 6 from both sides. That leaves me with 4x is equal to 32. Now I've done that, I've got 4 times x and I want x to be by itself, which means I need to divide both sides by 4. That gives me the value of x, and the value of x is 8. So if I look at this next part of the question, it says at the average of 6x and 4. Well, if I've got 6x, that's saying 6 times 8 plus 4, and I'm dividing it by 2. So 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4, dividing it by 2, and I get 26. So the average of 6x and 4 is 26.